A country based in Eastern Europe, Ukraine is known for its large resources, rich farmlands, a well-developed and functional industrial base, trained labor and a good education system. Being an important market, often termed as an emerging free market, the country is facing major financial issues after the annexation of Crimea by Russia in 2014. Russia has been one of the important trading partners of Ukraine, and the war in Donbass, which was started in 2014 in the month of April, has resulted in the slowdown of the Ukrainian economy. The impact of the annexation by Russia over Crimea shrank the economy of Ukraine by 68% in 2014. As per the reports conducted by the Ukrainian government, the economy further shrank by 10.64% in 2015. Ukraine, being a role player in its elevated economic growth in the sectors of industries such as power generating, ferrous and non-ferrous, fuel, metallurgy, chemical and petrochemical, machine building, to name a few, it accounted for a 26% GDP in the year 2012. Apart from these industries, it is one of the world's important sources as a mineral-producing country. Rich mineral deposits, with 50% of the entire Soviet output of iron ore, Ukraine also produced 40% of the world output of manganese ore during the Soviet era, followed by mercury, titanium, and nickel. Russia is among the main supplier of oil to Ukraine. The effects of the Russian annexation of Crimea have shown a drastic change in the economies and foreign policy of Ukraine. The government of Ukraine in recent years is considering changing its foreign policies to recover itself from a declining economy. Economic freedom. Following the current scenario and ongoing reforms, Ukraine's economic freedom score is 51.9, which makes it the 150th freest economy as per the 2018 index. Among the 44 counties in Europe, Ukraine is ranked last with an overall freedom score below the regional and world averages. Rule of law. When it comes to the rule of law, the Ukrainian politicians and analysts have already termed the Ukrainian system of justice as the rotten to the core, which means the economy is hit by sudden shrinkage in the monetary flow due to current crisis led by foreign policy. Various plans and changes in the law are being made to recover the country's declining economic growth and further enhance the system. Property rights, government integrity, and judicial effectiveness are important concerns. GDP, trade, and taxes. The average applied tariff rate is 1.9%. The combined value of Ukraine's imports and export equals 105% of GDP. The public debt of Ukraine is 70.9% of GDP. As per the data received on December 31, 2018, the foreign reserves of Ukraine are estimated to be $20.82 billion. When it comes to gross external debt, Ukraine's gross external debt is $47.9 billion in April 2018. Merger and acquisitions. As compared to other countries, Ukraine's merger and acquisition have not regained much. However, in 2017, the M&A of Ukraine was increased by 37%, with 67 deals of more than $1 billion were signed.